All right, superstar Rajinikanth will soon be conferred with the Dada Saheb Phalke Award, India's biggest film honour. Talaivar arrived at the National Film Award ceremony, which is currently underway. We're getting you visuals from that ceremony there in Delhi. Talaivar there, Rajinikanth has been accompanied by his wife, his son-in-law, actor Dhanush. In fact, this is a big achievement for Rajinikanth. After 46 years in the business, in the film industry, finally receives the Dada Saheb Phalke Award, the highest honours in the field of cinema.
दादा साहेब फाल्के पुरस्कार प्रदान करने के लिए माननीय उपराष्ट्रपति जी से विनम्र आग्रह कि कृपया मंच पर आगे आएं। और मैं दादा साहेब फाल्के पुरस्कार ग्रहण करने के लिए श्री रजनीकांत जी को मंच पर आमंत्रित करती हूँ। स्वर्ण कमल प्राप्त कर रहे हैं श्री रजनीकांत जी। भारत सरकार द्वारा दिया जाने वाला भारतीय सिनेमा का सर्वोच्च सम्मान भारतीय फिल्म उद्योग में अपने अभूतपूर्व योगदान के लिए श्री रजनीकांत जी को दिया जा रहा है। रजनीकांत जी वो अभिनेता जिनके काम ने दर्शकों का न सिर्फ मनोरंजन किया बल्कि उन पर गहरा असर छोड़ा। उनका सफर शानदार रहा। भारत के सबसे चहेते और लोकप्रिय कलाकारों में से एक हैं श्री रजनीकांत जी।
This award is a recognition of Sri Rajnikant's acting skills, evident in various entertaining roles in his career of over 45 years in the Indian film industry.
रजनीकांत जी की संवाद अदायगी, स्क्रीन पर दिखने वाला अनोखापन दर्शकों को बेहद पसंद है। वो देश के सिने प्रेमियों को पीढ़ियों से प्रेरित करते आ रहे हैं। सिने प्रेमियों की कितनी ही पीढ़ियां उनसे प्रेरणा पा रही हैं।
I now request the Honorable Vice President and all dignitaries present on the stage to kindly be seated, please.
और अब मैं सभी सिने प्रेमियों की ओर से माननीय श्री रजनीकांत जी से आग्रह करती हूं कि इस विशेष अवसर पर अपने उद्गार प्रस्तुत करें। माननीय श्री रजनीकांत जी, आपसे अनुरोध, कृपया हमारे साथ अपने विचार इस अवसर पर जरूर साझा करें।
We request Sri Rajnikant ji to please say a few words.
Most respected Honorable Vice President, respected AB Minister, respected Murugaji, dignitaries, all the award winners, good morning to everybody. I am extremely happy to receive this prestigious award and my heartfelt thanks to the Central Government for honoring me with this most prestigious Dada Saheb Phalke Award. I dedicate this award to my mentor, my guru, K. Balachander sir. This moment, I remember him with great gratitude. And my brother Satyanarayana Rao Gaikwad, who is like my father, who brought me up with, teaching me with great values and injecting me a spirituality in me. And my friend, a Karnataka bus transport driver, my colleague, Raj Bahadur. When I was a bus conductor, he was the one who identified the acting talent in me and encouraged me to join cinemas. And all my producers and directors who produced my films and technicians who worked in, and co-artists, and all the distributors, exhibitors, the media, press, and all my fans. And Tamil people, without them, I am nobody. என்னை வாழ வைக்கும் தெய்வங்களான தமிழ் மக்களுக்கு நன்றி. ஜெய் ஹிந்த்.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद माननीय श्री रजनीकांत जी, आपके शब्दों के लिए और शब्दों में छिपे एहसास के लिए।
May I now request the Honorable Vice President of India, Sri M. Venkaiah Naidu ji, to kindly address all present here.
There you have it. Rajnikant, the superstar, finally receives Dada Saheb Phalke Award, the highest honors in the field of cinema. In fact, he seems quite excited receiving the award. He thanks his mentor, the one he dedicates the award to, K. Balachandar, who actually launched Rajnikant's career back in 1975. In fact, he says that he sat in with Balachandar not being around, but he wishes that he saw Rajnikant receive this highest film honor, the Dada Saheb Phalke Award. Here you have the President of India honoring Rajnikant, the superstar who really acted in multiple industries, including Tamil, of course, Hindi, several Hindi films that he's been featured in. Apart from that, all South languages, including Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam, Bengali as well. Rajnikant is an actor par excellence, and here he receives his honor 45 years after being in the industry.